The shooter has 4 seconds to kill. I would like to kill Seeker. I would like to kill you. That wasn't my... I didn't kill that motherfucker. Oh, we also have a dog now. Damn! Oh, well, you fucking suck.